Hey everyone, do you find yourself catching colds more often these days? Do you feel like your immune system just isn't what it used to be? You're not alone. Millions of people are searching for ways to boost their immunity, spending money on supplements and health products, hoping for a miracle solution. But here's something incredible. The most powerful way to activate your immune cells is right at your fingertips. Costs absolutely nothing, and is backed by rock-solid science. I'm talking about exercise. And no, this isn't just another generic, exercise is good for you, talk. What I'm about to share with you is the fascinating science of exactly how movement transforms your immune system at the cellular level. I used to get sick 4 or 5 times a year. Chronic fatigue was my constant companion. Then I discovered the scientific connection between exercise and immunity. Now, I haven't been to the doctor in over 2 years. Let me show you why this works. Your body contains trillions of immune cells. White blood cells, T cells, NK cells, macrophages. They're like your body's army, constantly patrolling for viruses, bacteria, and even cancer cells. But here's the problem. Modern lifestyle has basically put this army to sleep. We sit for hours, we're stressed, we don't sleep enough, and we barely move. Our immune soldiers become sluggish and ineffective. Research from the University of Copenhagen revealed something remarkable. People who exercise regularly have 37% more immune cells in their blood compared to sedentary individuals. Not only more cells, but these cells are significantly more active and ready to fight. So what exactly happens inside your body when you exercise? Let me walk you through 6 scientifically proven changes that will make you want to lace up your sneakers right now. First, exercise activates your NK cells. Natural killer cells are like special forces in your immune system. They hunt down and destroy cancer cells and virus-infected cells. Harvard Medical School research shows that just 30 minutes of moderate exercise increases NK cell activity by over 50%. That's more powerful than most immune supplements on the market. These activated NK cells stay elevated for 48 to 72 hours. Meaning one workout gives you 2 to 3 days of enhanced immune protection. Second, exercise makes your T cells younger. This is genuinely mind-blowing. Researchers at King's College London studied 125 cyclists, aged 55 to 79. They compared them with sedentary people of the same age. The results? The exercising group had T cells that looked like those of people in their 20s and 30s. T cells are crucial for immune memory, remembering past infections so your body can respond quickly if they return. But as we age, the thymus gland that produces T cells shrinks. Exercise slows this decline. People who do 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week maintain thymus function that's about 15 years younger than their actual age. Third, exercise dramatically reduces chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer linked to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even depression. Duke University Medical Center conducted a large study showing that 8 months of regular exercise reduced CRP, inflammatory markers, by 41% on average. The key wasn't intensity but consistency. People who exercised 4 to 5 times a week for 30 to 40 minutes saw the best results. Here's how it works. When you exercise, your muscles release substances called myokines. These myokines have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, promoting the production of anti-inflammatory cytokines like interleukin-6 and interleukin-10 while suppressing inflammatory ones like TNF-alpha. It's like having firefighters inside your body putting out inflammation fires. Fourth, exercise improves your gut microbiome. This is huge because 70% of your immune cells are concentrated in your gut. Research from University College Cork in Ireland found that people who exercise regularly have 40% greater diversity of beneficial gut bacteria. Specifically, bacteria like Akkermansia and Faecalibacterium increased significantly. These bacteria strengthen the gut barrier and produce immune-regulating compounds. The amazing part? This happens fast. University of Illinois researchers had sedentary people exercise regularly for 6 weeks and found major changes in gut microbiome composition. But when they stopped exercising, everything returned to baseline within 6 weeks. The message? Consistency is absolutely critical. Fifth, exercise normalizes stress hormones. Chronic stress is immunity's worst enemy. When you're stressed, cortisol floods your system. Prolonged high cortisol suppresses immune cell function, especially T cells and B cells, and reduces antibody production. The Karolinska Institute in Sweden studied 200 stressed office workers through a 12-week exercise program. Cortisol levels dropped by 27%, while serotonin and endorphins increased by 45%. Most remarkably, these people experienced 63% fewer colds and flu infections. Exercise manages stress through multiple mechanisms. During exercise, your brain releases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which repairs stress-damaged neurons. Regular exercise balances your autonomic nervous system, calming the stress-activated sympathetic nervous system and activating the calming parasympathetic system. Psychologically, exercise builds self-efficacy and reduces anxiety. Sixth, exercise strengthens your antioxidant defense system. We're constantly exposed to free radicals that damage cells, accelerate aging, and impair immune function. Regular exercise boosts your body's internal antioxidant defenses. University of Paris researchers found that 12 weeks of regular exercise increased antioxidant enzymes like superoxide, dismutase, catalase, and glutathione by 35 to 55%. No supplement can match this effect. Exercise also improves mitochondrial efficiency. Mitochondria are your cell's power plants, but they generate free radicals while making energy. Regular exercise makes mitochondria more efficient, producing the same energy with fewer free radicals. Tokyo University research showed 8 weeks of endurance training improved mitochondrial efficiency by 28% on average. But there's even more. Exercise promotes lymphatic circulation. Unlike blood, lymph fluid has no pump and relies entirely on muscle contractions to move. When you don't exercise, lymph stagnates and toxins accumulate. Regular movement can increase lymph circulation by up to 400%, helping your body eliminate waste and toxins effectively. Exercise also improves sleep quality. The National Sleep Foundation found that people who exercise regularly get an average of 47 more minutes of deep sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged tissue, and recharges immune cells. Sleep is when cytokines and other immune-regulating substances are produced. So exercise boosts immunity both directly and indirectly through better sleep. Now for the practical part. What type of exercise and how much? The World Health Organization recommends adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise per week, plus strength training twice a week. Moderate intensity means you can talk, but not sing, like brisk walking, light jogging, cycling, or swimming. That's about 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Here's a crucial point though. Don't overdo it at first. Excessive exercise can temporarily suppress immunity. After extreme exercise like marathons, there's an open window phenomenon where immune function drops temporarily. That's why marathon runners often get sick right after races. If you're a beginner, start with 10 to 15 minutes daily for the first 2 weeks. Then increase to 20 minutes, then 30. Let your body adapt gradually. Let me give you a practical 7-day plan. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday do 30 minutes of brisk walking or light jogging. Tuesday and Thursday do 20 minutes of strength training with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks. Saturday, do something fun like hiking, cycling, swimming, or playing badminton. Sunday is your complete rest day. Follow this for just 6 weeks and I guarantee you'll feel the difference. You'll wake up feeling lighter, climb stairs with less huffing, and notice fewer sick days. But remember these important cautions. First, don't exercise when you're sick with fever. Exercise when ill can weaken your immune system further. The general rule is if symptoms are above the neck, like a runny nose, light exercise is okay. But if symptoms are below the neck like coughing or body aches, rest completely. Second, if you have chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure, consult your doctor before starting an exercise program. Get professional advice on appropriate intensity and types. Third, stay well hydrated before, during, and after exercise. Dehydration impairs immune function. Drink a glass before exercising, sip during, and have 1 or 2 glasses after. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on for more health science content. I'm rooting for your healthy transformation. You can do this. I guarantee it. Now it's time to tie those shoelaces. Your immune cells are waiting to be awakened. Start today and meet a completely new version of yourself in 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. A healthy, vibrant life awaits you. Start now, right now. Here's to your healthy tomorrow. Thank you.